Hi, my name is Londa, and I'm the COO of a company called Manifestation Babe, and we're an online personal development company. We offer digital goods, and we have a CRM, and we use something called Infusionsoft. And Infusionsoft has a lot of its own reports, but they weren't really capturing exactly what we were looking for. And then collecting our payments through PayPal, but PayPal also wasn't exactly showing us what we were looking for. And we had worked with our CPA to create a solution using Automate IO, but that sort of like middleman gap was creating a lot of issues, and it wasn't making it something that we could easily manipulate ourselves. And it wasn't addressing all of the really messy things that kind of happen as you're building a business inside of Infusionsoft. And so we were looking for a way to be able to have a dashboard to see all of our information in one place, and the specific information that we wanted to see. For us, it was like clear that you guys felt like there was a solution. And I think that was like very hopeful moment for us, that a solution could exist, and that it didn't necessarily mean having to have all these like various automation features, that there was a way to really pull the data in a more cohesive way and make it work. And since we were very tech limited, that sounded absolutely amazing. It was great. I mean, Chintan is just absolutely phenomenal in terms of like really understanding our business model and what we were looking for. And then during the progress, everyone was so patient and helpful because, as I mentioned before, we have all these like little like weird nuances and issues that kept kind of like a challenge to making it simple. But it really helped us too, because it helped us kind of go through and be like, okay, that system is not really helpful. Like, how can we improve this? Like how we do this part of our business. And so it helped us clean up a lot of like bookkeeping and just housekeeping things. And you guys were really able to help us figure out how to do that and like give us solutions when we would run up against those challenges. Everybody's just like really lovely and helpful. I mean, every time we needed to get on a call, everyone was here. Everyone who had a hand in it, everyone was kind of helping us to troubleshoot the issues. Always available, prompt email communication. Like, I mean, we work with a lot of contractors, and that's not always the case. So I really felt supported. I would say that I think the number one is just, it really helped us understand our own systems better. Because it helped us streamline the way we track information, the way we tag information, the way we create products, things like that. And it helped us clean up old stuff. Like, it helped us think like, okay, like these little weird things that are kind of making accounting difficult or challenging, like we can address them in this way. Because in doing that, it was helping you make your part of the system work, but in our part, it was helping our systems run more efficiently. So I think that's the number one thing that was really helpful. And then obviously we have this data dashboard now, and you guys did such a beautiful job because you also made it like branded to our business. It's not like this like clunky, ugly, interface. It's like really beautiful and in alignment with our branding too. And it's easy enough for us to use. So like if we want to look at something different, it's like the reporting isn't so complicated that you don't even want to try to create a new report. Like, it's very easy to use. And like the payment piece that you created is just so helpful for us to know like where we are with our payment plans. Yes. And it's also something that we can fix ourselves. Like when it had the bots and stuff, that was a little bit more complicated. And this streamlined it, made it easier. So now we have a data dashboard where we can see all the information. It's in alignment with our branding. And we were able to clean up a lot of our own systems in the process. I would say if you need two things to communicate with each other, like two tech platforms to communicate with each other, and you're not sure how to do that this is you guys figure it out. And I think that's the thing I really appreciated, is you really even if like you guys, I don't even know if you had any familiarity with Infusionsoft prior to this, but like you learned the systems and the tools that we were using with the skills that you already had, and built us something that everybody can use. And so it's hard to do that. Even like you can create zaps and you can create, certain things, but there's always limitations to creating those types of sort of pre-built things. And what you do is create a custom solution. And I don't really think you can beat that.